Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss a short topic about the security arrangements in a bank. So, here we are going to focus or discuss about the different equipments or channels that are provided by the bank, right? So, we are going to discuss about different areas where we need the security in a bank. Now, first is we have the ATMs. Now, how we can keep our ATMs secure, or how we can arrange for the security of ATMs? Now, as we know that organized global crimes indicates that ATMs are being targeted, right? So the financial industry needs a global ATM security. That is why banks should make some particular arrangements, like at the ATMs should be equipped with the security cameras and well lighted to have proper recorded, right? Second is bank should deploy, that means bank should employ some of the guards, unarmed security guards, personnel or caretakers for that ATM machines and all. Coming to the second one, we have branch security measures. Now, what should be the security measures in a branch? First is, it is very important that we know that bank security, it is very important from the customer's point of view as well as from the bank point of view. So we know that cash is handled by the customers come to withdraw the cash, they come to deposit the cash. So that cash is also handled by the tellers, that means the persons who are responsible for making the withdrawals or making the deposit. So we have to arrange for proper security arrangements for the protection of the customers as well as the bank. So what we need to do is, the entrance or the exit gate, that should be guarded by a gunman, as we have discussed earlier in the security measures. Then the gate, it should be just opened and it should just permit only one person at a time to enter, as we have discussed that the grill gate should be opened up to 18 inches. So 18 inches, that means it permits only one person at a time. Next is, all the other entries to the branch should be closed. There should be only one entry point, and obviously that entry point should be the exit point. Next is, alarm should be fixed at various places of the bank, like we can say it should be the wallet cash cabins, it should be the cash manager's desk or box, or it can be the branch manager's cabin. CCTVs should be fixed at some places like the entrance gates, the cash cabins, inside and outside of the wallets, and also in the at the ATMs. The next is the alarms that are attached to the door of the wallet, and that should be heard roadside. That means if in any case, if someone tries to break that wallet's door, the sound of or the bell of that alarm should be heard on the people who are going or who are living around that area. And obviously that alarm bell, it should be connected with the police station as well as the resident of the branch manager. For example, if anyone tries to open that door, automatically the alarm bell will ring and automatically the police station will be intimated, as well as the branch manager will be indicated. Next is, fire extinguishers have to be provided in various places in the branch premises, that can be solid, liquid and chemical extinguishers, so that in case of fire, the fire can be extinguished. Fire may occur due to some electrical short circuits or some paper or oil stored in the premises catching fire, etc. So we should take special care of these type of things. Now coming to the bank wallet security arrangement, how we can keep our bank safe, right? That means where all the cash, all the documents are being protected. So how we can keep that bank wallet safe, right? So what are the security arrangements? Now first is, entire cash and other valuables, we know that they are stored all over the night, all over the day in that wallet. So that is why bank wallet, it is a secure place where we can keep all our important documents of a bank. So especially it should be constructed with RCC on all sides as per the specifications that are laid down. Second is, lockers are also situated inside the wallet. The wallet protects their contents from theft, fire, etc. Natural burglar alarms, fire alarm, and CCTVs are fixed as per the RBI guidelines. Now RBI, it has stipulated some safety measures for the vault security. Let's see that. So first of all, the main entrance should be provided with shutter gates. The main entrance of the what we can say is main entrance of the bank as well as the entrance of the wallet. After business hours, the shutter should be half closed so that no customers are allowed to enter in the premises. For example, some of the banks, they just put the shutter down about half as they are working, doing their some work in the bank. So the cashier's cabin, it has to be away as far as possible from the entry or the exit gate. The next is emergency light should be installed and it should be kept in the working conditions. Windows or ventilators should have proper standard grills and all. Now posting of the guards, it should be decided keeping in view the location, that whether we need the guard only for the daytime or as well as for the night time. Next is currency chest should have two armed guards throughout the day as well as in the night, so as to ensure round the clock safety of the chest branches. Night latches have to be provided to the cashier cabin, as we have already discussed in the previous videos about the night latches. So same points are being repeated. Hotline connections or police station to the police station. Hotline connection mean direct connection through the police station to the police control room. Fire brigades, auto dialer should be installed to the each and everything, so that no prospect is left where we do not give any security. All weak points like opening of exhaust, each and every thing should be like closed or shut off, or it should be strengthened with appropriate RCC work or steel plates, steel grills, etc. So for today, this was the topic, that is the security arrangements in a bank, right? So tomorrow we are going to share another video regarding the clearing houses. So it is a very interesting video. Till the time being, you should revise all whatever chapter we have gone through, whatever topics we have gone through. For the time being, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and stay indoors. Thank you.